It's that time of year when so many of us are dealing with seasonal allergies, and one of the world's leading companies in allergy vaccinations right here in Spokane. Derek Deis has the story of Hollister-Stier Laboratories in this week's Made in the Northwest profile.
In 1921, as the story goes, Dr. Guy Hollister recruited Dr. Robert Stier to Spokane. Dr. Stier's wife developed severe allergies, so they created an allergy therapy that became world-renowned. And now, nearly a century later, Hollister-Stier is still leading the way in immunotherapy.
That foundation has started with humble beginnings, 2 doctors locally here, and now we're over 600 people here.
The brand Hollister-Stier is actually a global brand. People all over the world recognize that.
But while the company has seen tremendous growth, the practice of immunotherapy has remained relatively unchanged.
Tools have improved certainly over the last 100 years, but not significantly.
In fact, they're still treating allergies similar to the way doctors Hollister and Stier did way back then.
Our specialty, our core competency was in extracting proteins and then filling them into sterile injectables. So the business developed because of its ability to extract the proteins out of different materials and then manufacture in a sterile environment so that they could be injected into the skin.
Everything that's made here in Spokane is an injectable product for doctors to use, but they have a second business doing contract manufacturing for other companies that make medicines. That's taken off since Jubilant Life Sciences, a company based in India, bought Hollister-Stier in 2007.
So they'll give us their medicine, we'll make it here, we'll either develop it or improve it here, and then we'll sell it globally.
And they're uniquely equipped to do so, as multiple processes in the medicine making all take place under one roof.
So we'll take it right from idea generation right through to making it a final commercial product.
They also have high-speed fill lines that they say not many organizations around the world have. They go from very large-scale, very fast production,
all the way through to what we call clinical trial fill lines, which are smaller, more customized, made to do more finicky and more difficult manufacturing runs.
And whether it's a small biotech company, a major pharmaceutical company, or the government, they know what they're getting from Jubilant Hollister-Stier.
Our capability, our specialty is taking an idea that somebody may have and turning it into a final medicine.
They're now selling their products in 40 countries.
We're focusing right now on Korea, where we have a developing market, in Mexico.
And their aspirations for growth are limitless.
We have very big plans to expand the business, to continue to be a global player.
And they'll continue to do so from here in Spokane, where the company was founded nearly 95 years ago. For Made in the Northwest, I'm Derek Deis, KXOY 4 News.